Molly Howard, a longtime special education teacher in Louisville, Georgia, was offered her dream job to run a new high school. But with the promotion came a challenge, too. 80% of the school's students lived in poverty, and only 15% of students, in previous years, had continued on to college. Many teachers had a nearly defeatist attitude. She knew she'd have to challenge that. She acted quickly. She believed that every student could aspire to go to college, so she abolished the schools to track system that had separated college-bound students from vocational students. She beefed up assessments and tutorial programs. One of the most impactful changes she has made was to the grading system. The new system only offered grades A, B, C, and NY. NY means not yet. In her view, the students had accepted a culture of failure. In a fixed mindset way, they acted as though they were failures to the bone. Students often didn't do their homework, or they turned in shoddy work. Getting a D or an F was an easy way out. In a way, they might get a poor grade, but at least they would be done. In the new system, the students couldn't stop until they'd cleared the bar. She said about this, "We define upfront to the kids what's an A, B, and C. If they do substandard work, the teacher will say, 'Not yet.' That gives them the mindset, 'My teacher thinks I can do better.' It changes their expectations." The school was reborn. Students and teachers became more engaged. The school's graduation rate increased dramatically, and student test scores went up so much that remedial courses were eliminated. In 2008, the National Association of Secondary School Principals declared her the U.S. Principal of the Year, out of 48,000 candidates. This story is quoted from the book, Switch: How to Change Things When Change is Hard, written by Chip, Heath, and Ben Heath. This case same applies to our lives. Don't define what you haven't achieved now as failure. It's just that it hasn't reached not yet goal.